Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw rainbow light. First, begin by sketching a gentle, curved arc on your paper. This initial line will serve as the foundational guide for your rainbow's shape. Remember to keep your pencil strokes very light, as this is just a preliminary outline. Think about where your light source is coming from and how it would naturally create this beautiful optical phenomenon in the sky. Next, it's time to introduce the vibrant colors of the rainbow. Start with red on the outermost edge, followed by orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and finally violet on the innermost arc. The key here is to blend each color seamlessly into the next. Use a light touch to ensure soft transitions, creating a beautiful, natural gradient that mimics real light refraction. To truly capture the essence of rainbow light, we need to add a sense of glow and luminosity. Gently apply a very light color, perhaps white or a pale yellow, around the outer and inner edges of your rainbow. This creates a soft, ethereal halo, making the rainbow appear to radiate light. Think about how the light would subtly illuminate the clouds or background, adding depth to your drawing. Finally, it's time to refine your rainbow and add those finishing touches. Go back over your drawing and soften any lines that still appear too sharp, aiming for a diffused, natural look. You might also consider adding very subtle atmospheric elements, such as a hint of mist or distant clouds, to enhance the overall realism. Take a moment to step back and assess your work for balance and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.